Why are you beeping at top speed? It's a flat tire. Holy shit! If you wanna build your dream scooter, I've got links and discount codes to every scooter and part I would actually use on strikeguys.com. Link in the description. Oh, it's Christmas every day. A scooter, bro. This is the Hiboy Max Pro. It has 48 volts, 15 amp hours. That's as much as the G2 battery right there. In the size of a Xiaomi scooter, bro. It has 650 watts. Look at that. That's a whole ass scooter in there. We got a charging brick in here. 48 volts, 2 amps. Manual and a toolkit. It's not that big. We got screws, bro. What the hell is this, brother? Oh yeah, look at that. No way. We got power. I gotta be missing something, bro. We also got 11-inch tires. Tires are bigger than the tires of my G2 Master, bro. And the Bosch motor. That's impressive, actually. Damn, look at that. It's encased in metal. Bro, this is some quality stuff. Water will never get in this thing. Bro, that's the type of shit you see on dual drones, bro. If you wanna buy it, there's a link in the description. And I also have a discount code for it. Alright, let's take it for a spin. Bro is riding my G2 Master. Drag race, bro. Hydrogen bomb versus coughing baby. That thing has 14,000 watts, bro. This thing has 650. I'd say it launches pretty well, bro. This thing, deadass, launches harder than a G2. It feels stronger than a G2. 31. Okay, bro. Come on. Why are you beeping? It's beeping at high speed. I think it's trying to warn me that I'm going too fast or something. It's pretty strong, I would say. Why are you beeping at top speed, bro? This scooter is perfect if you just wanna go from point A to point B. It has a really good range. Of course, you ain't pushing the throttle. That thing has like, how many times more power does it have? Oh my lord. Like that. 25 times more power. Yeah. I like it how it has a rev counter or something. When you push the throttle, it shows the effort of the motor. This thing might be very reliable. It has a Bosch motor, the type of shit they use on the Teverans. Holy shit, that thing is too powerful, bro. The good thing now is, what is police gonna do to me on this? I mean, I can limit it from the Hiboy app. It has an app. The lights look really cool. I'm gonna show them at night. You can't really see them now. Oh my lord, this is a perfect scooter for just going. You don't have to worry about VESC settings or you don't have to worry about anything. It just works. It's the type of shit that just works. Well, I think pretty much any scooter is like that if you don't modify it. 29 kilometers per hour, 30 uphill. We moving, bro. Oh yeah, bro. I'm wearing full gear to ride this. Move. Bro, this is a chill scooter, bro. It's chill. It has bigger tires than my G2 Master, so bumps feel better. Crazy scooter in it. This looks much better than a Xiaomi, bro. If you just want a scooter, get this, don't get a Xiaomi. If you want a cheap scooter, you have a link for it in the description. I mean, bro, it's not much bigger. If you put them side to side, the G2 Master is not that much bigger. You can lock it from the app. Check this out. You have this app, you just connect to the scooter. This is like safety mode. Like, bro, I got stuck with that shit, bruh. It showed LC. You just have to hold the brake. It's like a safe mode on the Dualtrons, you know. You can lock it from the app, and now you can't move it. The motor brakes and it beeps. It's crying, bro. It still has 6-7%. Oh yeah, I mean, you kinda can wheel it. Yeah, but I'm very fast. What you mean? The rear brake is on the right though. These are really good drum brakes. I would say it's pretty well built. Like, if you drop it, it doesn't make any noise. It's rock solid. Give me the Master. Oh, you don't like that? Bunny hop. So easy, bro. This scooter is light. Yeah, let's be careful to not fall in the water. I just go under it. Well, this scooter can do off-road. Climbing. This is a really steep hill. I mean, it's climbing. Holy shit. It's a pretty good scooter. It has good suspension, like off-road feels pretty good on it. A lot better than a Xiaomi. The motor is good. Like, it's a quality motor. The type of shit they use on Teverans. You know what would be cool? If the Xiaomi monorim suspension fit on it. If the front Xiaomi monorim suspension fits, I can put a massive motor on it. Oh my days. Oh, it's a flat tire. Let me ride it, I'm lighter. Oh man, I gotta fix the G2 Master again. Flat tire. Need fixing. Barely warm, by the way. This battery is too strong. Well, I've done this like a million times already. The brakes are inverted. I mean, bro, this scooter is pretty easy to wheel. You just have to get used to it. Get used to staying high in the balance point because it doesn't have that much power to lift you back up. If you go down, see, the Master just lifts you back up because it has so much power. Most of the footage of tuning this thing got corrupted. I'm gonna crash out. Oh, wait, we also need a throttle. No, wait. I'ma take the e-brake throttle from the G2 Master because I'm not using it anymore. It's harder than beating it. Come on, bro, my phone is not that heavy. Bro, how are you gonna hold my red camera when I'm gonna get one? I guess we got a throttle now. Okay, so it works. But I wanna put this battery on it. I kinda need to make this XT90 fit in there. Should I just use this? We have to run the motor setup again because we changed the voltage.
Oh, it's gonna make...
It should be way faster now on 52 volts. Let's see. Yeah, who cares? Okay, so let's make it rideable. I'm gonna use a USB cord just like Joy. Okay, so let's cut this USB cord. Yeah, it's gonna be fast, bro. I'm telling you. But what is going on here? Hold on, let me... Bro, what? Okay, it works. Okay, let's put the throttle up. Okay, so now let's make it look better. How much power are we pushing? About 5 kilowatts peak. Let's just test it. I forgot about this, but the scooter actually comes with a phone stand. So let's put that on. I guess
you can lock.
Now I have a GPS speedometer on here. The honk still works. Okay then, let's take it for a spin. I'm moving. Oh yeah. Holy damn, bro. 47 on GPS. I mean, I made it faster than stock. It's way faster than stock. It's pulling. It's literally as fast as a G2. VESC controller. I wanna see how much I'll get down the bridge. Yo, what up? Yo, what do you think? It has a VESC on it now. Yes, a G2 Master battery. Yeah, bro, I made it fast. Holy shit! I mean, it feels slow for me, but 45 is plenty to gap up Xiaomi. You can keep up with a G2 on this 42 uphill. This is all GPS, by the way. It's GPS speedometer. 49, 50. Let's go! If you go too hard on the throttle, it will just make weird noises. I don't think anyone made this thing reach 50. It's the first Hiboy Max Pro to reach 50. Peak scooter right here, bro. Let's go eat something. I'm starving. Kaboom! Yes, Rico, kaboom. Bro removed my tires. Well, who doesn't like this scooter? Huh? Okay, enough bragging. You can stop removing my tires. Bro's car is done. Bro, why do these tires sound so good? Different compound. Peak phone holder for you. Yeah, the controller is rattling inside. Damn, brother. That's a McLaren. I want one. 300k. Where am I gonna get 300k from? What if I tell them to send one to me for a video? Yeah, don't crash my scooter. Holy scooter of pile of scooters. He's coming. Holy shit. Yo, wanna see what happens if I push the throttle to full?
You go absolutely nowhere.